Have you ever wondered what it feels like to walk back into the place where your childhood dreams began to open doors you thought had long been closed, and find that some things, some people, never truly leave? This is the story of a man who returned to his childhood school after 30 long years. He thought everything would be different: new walls, new faces, new memories. But what he found left him in tears. Because waiting for him, in the very same place, was someone he thought he had lost forever. Someone whose kindness had shaped his entire life. When he stepped into that old classroom, the air felt heavy with memories. The little boy he once was seemed to run through those corridors again, laughing, learning, dreaming. And then, he saw her. The teacher who had once held his hand when he was too afraid to read. The woman who had stayed after school, every single day, to help him believe in himself. She was older now, her hair touched with silver, her eyes gentler with time, but she was still there. Still waiting. She remembered his name. She remembered his struggles. And she remembered the promise she made to all her students that one day, even if life took them far away, she would be right there, waiting for them if they ever needed to come home. And in that moment, he realized something powerful: kindness does not fade with years. True care, true love, true humanity, it waits. It stays. It builds lives silently, and it never asks for anything in return. Friends, this story reminds us that the people who show us kindness in our hardest moments are the ones we must never forget. Because sometimes, going back doesn't just heal old wounds, it awakens the part of us that still believes in goodness. If this story touched your heart, then take a moment to spread kindness today. And if you believe that the world needs more stories like this, more reminders of love, compassion, and hope, then please like this video, share it with someone who might need it, and subscribe to our channel Kindness Stories, where every story reminds us that humanity still shines bright. Because sometimes, even after 30 years, kindness is still waiting.